What do you make of Engineer Alcantara's statements kahapon? Yes, he named names, nilagdaan yung statement, but yung proof, sir, what do you make of it, sir?
When I talked to Secretary Remulla, tinanong ko sa kanya yan, sa site lang, merong record na hawak. Hindi ito yung parang say-so na bahala na si Batman. Tinanong ko anong basihan. Meron daw siyang record.
Record ledger?
I don't know. Pwede yun.
Sir, si Commissioner Lipana po ipapatawag niyo.
I think nasa abroad yata eh.
Sir,
Sir, merong
Sir,
hawak
anong
na mga
record?
ebidensya si Alcantara.
Receipts?
Apparently.
Anong
Hindi
record?
ko alam. Hindi ko naman tinanong mo. Kasi nasa DOJ. Doon siya nagpunta kasi. Wala nga kami kinalaman doon sa kanyang affidavit. I was just informed. I was just being updated over the weekend na merong such and such plan to appear and tell all. And I was being updated kung ano yung possible na laman ng kanyang affidavit.
Okay.